Today we're making homemade whipped cream, and it's not as hard as you may think. A couple tips are, and you don't have to do this, metal bowl that you've had in the freezer, I'd say for 10 minutes, half hour, mine's been in there for probably an hour. Your beaters for your hand mixer or stand mixer, also put that in the freezer. Metal, and make sure your cream is very cold. Your heavy whipping cream, heavy cream, all the same thing. And the type of sugar and the ratios you can change a little bit to suit your taste. But I'm using Ina Garten's recipe today. So let's go ahead and get started. We need 1 cup of cream. Right into your bowl. Now, if you accidentally put your sugar or your vanilla in here before you whip the cream, it will be okay. But first thing, we're going to whip the cream. So I just have my immersion blender with a whisk attachment, hand mixer, stand mixer. We're just going to let it go until it gets whipped. You'll have stiff peaks. And we're told not to overbeat it because I think it can deflate then. So you're gonna start to see your cream thicken, and you're gonna see your beaters or your whisk, those little lines that are made, they're gonna start staying in the cream after you've gone over them. So I think I'm at soft peaks. When you pull up some of your cream, it lifts, but then it falls over. I'm gonna add my sugar now because I am using larger granules, a larger granule sugar. You can use powdered sugar, but I'm doing 1 tablespoon. You can also use extra fine granulated sugar. You can often find that in your baking aisle, or it's often found something that bartenders use in making mixed drinks because it dissolves more easily being fine. So I'm almost at stiff peaks where I want to be for whipped cream. I'm gonna add my vanilla. So once your cream starts coming together, it's gonna get to fully whipped quite fast. So if you're using a stand mixer, make sure you keep a close eye on it. I have some homemade vanilla here from my mom, shout out. 1 teaspoon. The Aldi recipe called for 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla, but like I said, adjust to suit your taste. And now we're there. When you pull up the whipped cream and the tip of it either doesn't bend over or hardly bends over, actually I might go a little bit more. Yeah, I'm good with that. So once you're at this stage, you're ready to use it as you need to. You can even use this in place of Cool Whip. If you want an alternative to Cool Whip, you can dollop it on your coffee or your hot chocolate. And again, you can add more sugar if you'd like it sweeter. So homemade whipped cream might not be quite as difficult as you thought it would be. It's something that you can just whip up quickly to dollop on top of your hot chocolate, or if you want to take a little extra time at Thanksgiving, homemade whipped cream for your pumpkin pie.